From old phones to computers, televisions and their remote controls, around 50 million tonnes of so-called e-waste is created every year. The UN estimates that 6.5 million tonnes gets recycled, but almost 42 million is simply dumped. The discarded gadgets contain gold, silver, iron and copper, worth an estimated $52 billion, so it's a missed opportunity for profit as well as a threat to the environment.
It's a throwaway society. Something breaks, you don't repair it anymore, you go and buy something new.
When it's done right, there is money to be made from taking apart unwanted electricals.
The IT equipment comes in, it gets broken down into all its component parts. So right here you've got your chassis, which are mainly made of steel. Then you've got things like power supplies, aluminium heat sinks, motherboards, and of course CPUs, which are obviously most valuable.
Because
it's gold.
Gold. So what would some of this be worth?
Could be up to £36,000 a tonne.
Wow.
There's pretty much a market for everything. Anything from your computer and all the bits and pieces that are inside of it, there's a raw material value to all this stuff. Plastics go back into toys, metals, anything with a plug or battery. Around about 98% is our recycling rate, but everything can be recycled.
Recycling old gadgets is now an industry across the world. Business is booming in the Chinese town of Guyu, China's capital for e-waste. It is clearly a lucrative industry, but with an environmental and human cost. Local waterways are littered with worthless components, and the air and water supply have become so contaminated that many children have been shown to have high levels of lead in their bloodstream.